The world is changing, customer expectations are changing, mobility needs are changing. The way we use cars, the way we buy cars, the way we lease cars, the way we use the car to move from A to B. Everything is changing, but what at the end prevails is convenience. We adapt and we embrace the change. But this does not happen overnight, but it will probably happen faster than what we are used to in the automotive industry. There are two trends where Volvo will play a role in the forefront. The first trend is electric cars, and the second one is that we will offer these cars online only. Electric is where the growth is for the premium part of the market, and by 2025, 50% of Volvo's volume will be fully electric. By 2030, we will be 100% electric. We stated earlier that convenience prevails, and that's where online enters the automotive world. I mean a real online experience and not a digitalized wholesale process. Simple, intuitive, with transparent pricing, easy to order, attractive cars. Built according to the personal taste or a pre-configured car with a quick delivery. This online experience will be working seamlessly in parallel with our retailer partners all over the world. Flawless online-offline experience. The customer selects the place to order online at volvocars.com. From their sofa, at the dealership, at a pop-up store, or at a Volvo store. So the entire experience of having a Volvo will become easier and more convenient, as convenience is key. A few years ago, we launched the Care by Volvo subscription service, an online-only offer with total flexibility. Now we will expand the meaning of Care by Volvo and create a convenient experience with the customer at the center. The XC40 Recharge and all future pure electric cars will be available with an extensive care package. And the care package, which includes insurance, maintenance, warranty, and where possible, home charging stations.